Hello, 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 everyone.
And a very warm welcome
To
Les the Learn English Show.
I'm Leslie.
And I am Mr. Jones.
We are so incredibly happy to have you with us today.
Yes, it's always a pleasure to spend time with our listeners. Thank you for joining us.
Before we dive into today's fantastic lesson, we have a little favor to ask all of you out there.
Please take a quick moment right now to hit that like button for us. It helps a lot.
And if you know someone who is learning English or wants to start, please share this video or podcast with them.
Sharing helps our show reach more people. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
Your support means the world to us. It helps us grow and allows us to keep making more episodes for you absolutely free.
Today's topic is super practical and something everyone can use immediately.
We are going to learn 25 very important daily sentences.
These are sentences that English speakers use every single day.
Knowing these will make your daily conversations much easier.
They are common, simple, and incredibly useful in many different situations.
So grab a pen and paper if you like, or just relax and listen carefully.
Let's get started with our first group of sentences. These are all about greetings.
Hello.
This is a very basic and friendly way to greet someone.
You can use it at any time of day.
For example, if you see a friend, you can just say, hello.
Or if you answer the phone, hello?
Simple and effective.
Good morning.
You use this greeting in the morning.
From when you wake up until around noon, 12 p.m.
For example, good morning, Leslie.
Good morning, Mr. Jones.
Try to say it with a smile.
Good afternoon.
This greeting is for the afternoon.
From 12 p.m. until about 6 p.m.
If you meet someone in the middle of the day, you say, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, class.
Number 4, good evening.
You use this greeting when it starts to get dark.
From about 6 p.m. until you go to bed.
Good evening, everyone. How was your day?
And finally, for greetings, number 5, good night.
This one is a bit different. You say good night when you are leaving someone.
Or when you are going to bed. It's usually a goodbye.
I'm tired. Good night, Mr. Jones.
Good night, Leslie. Sleep well.
So those are our 5 essential greetings. Practice them.
Now, let's move to sentences about asking how someone is and introducing yourself.
How are you?
This is a very common question after you say hello.
You ask it to find out if someone is well.
A usual answer is, I'm fine, thank you.
I'm good, thanks.
Remember to ask them back. And you?
What's your name?
You ask this when you meet a new person.
It's how you learn their name.
Hello, what's your name?
Simple and direct.
Number 8, my name is your name.
This is how you tell people your name.
For example, my name is Mr. Jones.
And my name is Leslie.
Practice saying your own name with this sentence.
Nice to meet you.
You say this after you both know each other's names.
It's a polite and friendly phrase.
My name is Tom. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you, Tom.
It makes a good impression.
Okay, that's our second group of sentences. Now for some important polite phrases.
Please.
Please is a magical word. It makes your requests polite.
Always use please when you ask for something.
Please pass me the water.
Please sit down.
It's very important to be polite.
Thank you.
You say this when someone helps you.
Or when someone gives you something.
Here's your coffee. Thank you.
Show your appreciation.
Number 12, you're welcome.
This is the polite answer when someone says thank you to you.
It means it was no trouble or my pleasure.
If I give you something and you say thank you, I will say you're welcome.
It completes the polite exchange.
Excuse me.
This is very versatile. You use it to get someone's attention politely.
Or if you need to pass someone in a crowd.
Excuse me, do you know the time?
Or if you accidentally bump into someone, you say, "Oh, excuse me."
It's useful for many small interactions.
I'm sorry.
You use I'm sorry when you make a mistake.
Or when you accidentally do something wrong.
If you step on someone's foot, say, "Oh, I'm so sorry."
It shows that you feel bad for what happened.
These polite phrases are very important for good communication.
Now, let's learn some useful questions for everyday situations.
Sentence number 15. What time is it?
This is how you ask about the current time.
Very useful when you need to know the hour.
Excuse me, what time is it, please?
And someone might answer, it's 10 o'clock.
Or, it's 3:30.
Sentence number 16. How much is this?
You ask this when you are shopping.
You want to know the price of an item.
For example, you see a nice bag. You ask the seller, how much is this bag?
Or if you point to something, how much is this?
Very practical for buying things.
Number 17. Where's the bathroom?
This is a very important question, especially when you are out.
You might also hear restroom or toilet. They all mean the same thing.
Excuse me, where is the nearest restroom?
Good to know for travelers and in public places.
Can I help you?
You use this to offer your help to someone.
If you see someone struggling with heavy bags,
Or if someone looks lost and confused.
you look a bit unsure. Can I help you?
It's a kind and helpful sentence.
I need help.
This is when you yourself need assistance.
Don't be shy to ask for help when you need it.
I can't open this jar. I need help, please.
It's good to know how to ask clearly.
Now for some very useful phrases for language learners.
I don't understand.
This is one of the most important sentences for learning English.
If someone says something you don't comprehend, please say this.
I'm sorry, I don't understand what you mean.
Then the other person can try to explain it in a simpler way.
Don't pretend to understand if you don't. It's okay to say this.
Can you repeat that, please?
If someone speaks too quickly, or if you missed a word.
This asks them to say it again.
I didn't hear you clearly. Can you repeat that, please?
It gives you another chance to listen and understand.
Number 22. How do you spell that?
This is great when you hear a new word or someone's name.
Especially if you want to write it down correctly.
Your name is difficult. How do you spell that, please?
It's a helpful question for accuracy.
And now, our final 3 sentences for saying goodbye.
Sentence number 23. Have a good day.
This is a friendly way to say goodbye to someone during the day.
You say it when you part ways.
Goodbye, Mr. Jones. Have a good day.
You too, Leslie. Thanks.
It leaves a good feeling.
Number 24. See you later.
This is a casual and common way to say goodbye.
You use it if you expect to see the person again soon.
Or sometimes even if you don't know when you'll meet again.
Okay, I have to go now. See you later.
See you later.
And our very last sentence, number 25, goodbye.
This is the universal way to say farewell.
You can use goodbye in almost any situation when you are leaving.
Short, simple, and always understood.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Wow, 25 daily sentences. That's a fantastic list.
We covered greetings, introductions, polite phrases, useful questions, and goodbyes.
This comprehensive list will really help you in your daily English conversations.
The best way to learn these is to practice them every day.
Try to use 1 or 2 new sentences from this list in your actual conversations.
Listen to this episode again to help you remember and repeat the sentences.
Say them out loud with us. The more you speak, the better you get.
We hope this episode of LES, the Learn English Show, was very useful for you.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
And please remember our small request.
Like this video or podcast.
Share it with your friends and family.
And subscribe to our channel for more helpful lessons.
Your support truly helps our channel grow and reach more English learners around the world.
We are so grateful for each and every one of you.
Join us next time for another exciting episode of LES, the Learn English Show.
Keep practicing your English.
Goodbye for now, everyone.
See you very soon.
Bye-bye.